Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers St. Georges local and long-distance movers near me. When you need a cheap St. Georges moving company, you need 3 Movers. Not only are we affordable, but we also offer the best local and long-distance moving services you will find. We provide everything you need to make your move easier. Whether you're moving your family or your business, we can make relocating simple and inexpensive. Our team of long-distance movers will make it simple to get moved fast and easy. We offer the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. It's not easy to go through a relocation, especially when you need to move 100 miles away or further. With our help, you can relieve some of your stress. Our team will take care of all the hard work for you. If you're ready to move, hiring a Canada moving company to get you there makes sense. Even a local move is a ton of work. Whether you're going a few blocks over or across town, you still have to move all your things. 3 Movers offers the right team to help make your local move simple. We streamline the entire process so you can get to where you need to go fast. Our team will make sure you get moved in with more time and energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Georges moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.